What if graduation wasn't the end, but the beginning? What if we build ideas not just in theory, but into the world?
What if students didn't wait to be told what matters? They built what does.
AI. AI for good. Where learning meets doing. Where genius multiplies.
Under Professor Nick Bear Brown's guidance, students turned questions into prototypes, dreams into frameworks, knowledge into action.
They asked, can a chatbot help special needs cats?
They built CatBot, a 24/7 matchmaker, pairing senior cats with forever families built on NLP trained in empathy. CatBot doesn't just chat, it advocates.
Others looked at letters not just how type looks, but how type thinks.
The Cognitive Type project mapped fonts to memory, serifs to second chances at reading. They didn't just create typefaces, they asked what makes words stick.
And what if kids learn to read by singing?
Lyrical literacy used AI to craft songs. Storybooks that sing, audiobooks that move with rhythm. Music met neuroscience, melody became a classroom.
Some built games in 3D worlds where stories breathe, learning becomes play. Players become makers.
In the back end, teams built the invisible.
They built agents and more agents, agents that didn't just answer. They solved systems, found hidden patterns in oceans of data. Delegated, reasoned, collaborated. A swarm of minds as one.
And in a world where surveys fail, they reimagined respondents. SurveyMind made synthetic personas rooted in real psychology, modeled on the Big Five, showing us how minds might think.
Then came the impossible. What if we could write new proteins just by reading?
Predictabio Humanitarians.AI created the first AI-generated proteins pulled from millions of papers, synthesized with LLMs tested at the edge of biology.
And there were many more projects in branding, storytelling, equity. Each a seed, each a spark.
This is more than class. This is AI for good.
One part learning, one part doing, all parts possible.
From branding to biology, from surveys to singing, from fonts to forever homes and games that teach to systems that think. We are Humanitarians AI.